Welcome to Pencil Paper Pals.
Hey pals, welcome back to another video. We're going to be drawing the common household pet. It's a dog and a cat. So these are the dog and the cat that I'm going to teach you how to draw. Let's get going. Alright, so the first one is the dog. He's very cute. So we're going to get our pen and we'll break it down. So I'm going to start here. I'm actually going to start with his little fuzzy little furry head because that will sort of help us work our way down. So towards the top of your page, we're going to start with a line and 3 little zigzags. So we want to go line and 1, 2, 3. As you're sort of going down your zigzags, start making them smaller like that. We're going to do a little line across, and now we have the top of your puppy dog's head. Now for his ears, and they're sort of like little almondy shapes, I suppose you'd call them. So we're going to go out, around, down, and then back up. There's one ear, and we're going to go on the other side. We're going to do the opposite, out, around, down, and back up, like so. 1, 2, 1, 2, 2 ears. Now his head is sort of a upside down squarish U shape. So you can come down and go around if you want. I'm going to make mine more square like the picture here. So down, across, curve those corners, and then back up. So it's sort of a square shape with sort of more of a rounded corner. It gives him a bit of a softer look. For his little face, we're going to draw his nose first, which is an upside down triangle. Color that in if you want. And then his mouth is just 2 little U shapes. So one U shape on this side and another U shape on this side. So he looks like he's smiling. For his little tongue, you're going to draw a smaller U shape coming down with a line. And now it looks like he's sticking his tongue out like this guy. 3 dots on each side of his nose. That sort of shows you where the whiskers would come out, I suppose. And his eyes. Up here we're going to draw 1 circle, 2 circles. To do the little shine dots in his eyes, we're going to draw another little circle on the inside and another little circle on the inside here and colour them in. Very good. We now have a puppy and his face. For his collar, to one side of his head, just sort of down here, we're going to draw, this is his little name tag. So we're going to draw a little rectangle coming down and then back up. At the base of that rectangle, we're going to draw the circle for where his name would be on his little name tag. And to finish off the collar, we're just going to come down on each side, like so. And we're going to join these points to here. 1 and 2. And if you do it in a little arch like that, that'll sort of match his face shape. And now you've got a collar with a name tag. Now normally I would do the body first, but we're actually going to do the feet first, because if you can see here, the body is sort of behind the legs. And if we did the body first, we'd end up with lines coming through our feet, which we don't want. So we're going to draw his little paws first. So for his legs, we're going to draw a line down on one side, and then a curved line underneath it like so. And that's the top of his foot. Coming down straight under that, to the base of his foot, and straight back up. Now you're going to repeat that on the other side, but the opposite way. So we're going to come down here. We're going to draw our curved line, our straight bottom line, and then back up. So now he's got 2 feet. For his body, we can draw the base of his body here, so join the legs together at the bottom. And then from one side of the collar, we're going to come around and down to the top of that foot. And from this side of the collar, we're going to come around and down to that side of the foot. So now he has 2 front legs and a body. For his back legs, we're going to draw, it's like 2 big bumps. We'll start on this side because you get the gist of it if I say it's like the letter B. So big at the top and small at the bottom. There's one. And on the other side, we're going to do the letter B backwards. big at the top and small at the bottom. Now, his little toes, as you can see, they're just like little lines coming up on the side here. One on each foot, like so. Oh, you know what I've forgotten to do? His tail. That's okay, let's add one in. So our dog is going to have a tail like this. Fun fact, my dog actually doesn't have a tail. She was born without one. So now we have a puppy dog. Great job. Now moving on, we're going to do a cat. Now, as always, guys, if you struggled keeping up with that one, remember you can pause the video at any time to draw your part of the picture and then press play again to finish off the next part. So yeah, I know sometimes it can be hard to keep up. So if you are struggling, feel free to pause the video and start again. So for our cat, we're going to start with the top of the cat's head. So that is a curved line like so. That's all you need to do. For Pussycat's face, you're going to come down from the start of that curved line there, and you're going to come down, you're going to leave a gap, and you're going to come down, around, and you're going to sweep around as if you were drawing a circle, and then back up, but don't join to the top there, leave a little gap here. This is the gap for the Pussycat's ears. So it's like a circle, but it's got two little openings here. Now for the ears, we're going to come up in a sort of curved triangle. There's one ear and another ear. A line here that joins the end of that first semicircle we did gives the ears a little bit of like depth, makes them look like they're going in. Pussycat's face, they have very dainty little noses, pussycats. And then they have very, very fine little mouths, like so. One circle here for the eye, another circle here for the eye, and to add in the shine, a circle on one side here, and then colour it in. Sorry, I realised that one went a bit fast for you guys. Now, for his body, similarly to the dog, we're going to do the legs first. So the legs of this cat are actually going to join up from his head here. So we're going to curved line out that way, and a curved line out this way. So that's each side of the leg. The bottom of the foot, like we did for the dog, we're going to draw a curved line here and a curved line there. Straight line at the bottom of each of the feet. Going to come up to one leg like so. Gone up and up. I went down, but you can go up. To join in the rest of his body, we're going to draw the little line here. And now for our little bees. So big bee at the top. These are the back legs where he's sitting down. And a little bump at the bottom. Big bump at the top. And a little bump at the bottom. Now, cats have long, beautiful tails. This cat's going to have a long, swirly tail like so. So you're going to draw your little swirly line there. If you curve at the top here, this will become the end of the tail. So then you can join it back, come back this way, like so. Now, I've just realised on my cat, I completely forgot to draw whiskers. So, the example doesn't have whiskers. The one that we've drawn is going to have some whiskers. So starting from here, you're just going to go flick, flick, flick. No right or wrong way to do it. However your whiskers look is however they look, and you can do as many as you want. You could do 3, you could do 1, you could do 2. It's up to you. So you can either leave your cat plain, or I'm going to match my cat like this one with the little stripes. That looks like a tiger cat. Stripes in his tail. Oh, that is very fun to do. And some stripes on his body. Some on his legs. The stripes I'm drawing here, they're just like little triangles, really. It's actually quite easy for you to do if you just think of it as little triangles. And then the stripe on his head is like 2 curved lines, like so. Done. Great job, guys. Now, you should have a cat and a dog. Now you can colour them in.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.